Welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to back up C drive in Windows 10 so you can protect your important files and system data from unexpected loss. Now let's get started. Step 1. Go to the Start menu and then select Settings. The Start menu is located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and it gives you access to all system options. Opening Settings allows you to manage and control important Windows features. Step 2. Click Update and Security, and then in the left-hand panel, click Backup. This section contains options related to system updates, security, and data protection. The backup option is important because it helps you create copies of your files and system. Step 3. Click Backup and Restore, Windows 7. Don't worry about the Windows 7 label, as it is still the correct and reliable tool for creating a full system backup in Windows 10. This tool allows you to create a complete image of your C drive. Step 4. On the left sidebar, click Create a System Image. This option lets you create an exact copy of your system drive, including Windows, installed programs, and settings. It is useful if you ever need to restore your computer to its current state. Step 5. Choose your external drive under on a hard disk and click Next. Selecting an external drive is recommended because it keeps your backup safe if your main drive fails. Make sure the drive has enough free space for the backup. Step 6. Confirm that the C system drive is selected and click Start Backup. The C drive contains your operating system and essential files, so backing it up is very important. Once you click Start Backup, Windows will begin creating the system image. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.